This application is a 5G smartphone rear case. Cavitation is 2 and material is polycarbonate. The thickness of the molding is 0.6 millimeters, and the prism that transferred the mold surface is engraved. Sodick's molding machine is equipped with V-line, which boasts stable plasticization performance and accurate filling performance. This molding machine is a high-speed, high-pressure injection molding machine, GL200 HSP, with a high-speed mold clamping and compression device. V-line thin 5G smartphone rear shell case molding. The highlight is V-line high-speed, high-pressure injection and high-speed mold clamping compression for fine surface pattern transfer. And the demonstration shows stable molding with 18-second cycle time using a conformal cooling mold. From the values on the process monitoring screen, you can see that the molding cycle is stable. This is an overriding waveform of injection speed and injection pressure, and you can see that the molding is very stable. In addition, the steep fall of injection pressure enables molding without distortion.